Good morning students. Today we will start with the mathematics part 2. The first chapter, similarity. In this chapter we have to study the ratio of areas of two triangles. Second point is basic proportionality theorem. Third point is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Then test of similarity of triangles. Then property of an angle bisector of triangle. Then property of areas of similar triangles, and the last point is the ratio of the intercepts made on the transversals by three parallel lines. Now let's start with the first point, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. Here take any two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here given is that in the triangle ABC, AD is height which is denoted by H1, BC is base which is denoted by B1, and in triangle PQR, PS is height which is denoted by H2 and QR is base which is denoted by B2. Now we have to prove that areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. That means if the areas of these two triangles are A1 and A2, then A1 is to A2 which is equals to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. We have to prove that. We know that the area of two triangles, area of any triangle is equals to half base into height. Therefore, using this formula, here we calculate the area of triangle ABC which is equals to half BC into AD. Instead of BC and AD, here we write B1 and H1. This is equation first. Similarly, in triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR which is equals to half QR into PS. Instead of writing QR PS, here we write B2 and H2. This is our equation second. Now we have to take the ratio of these two triangles, areas of these two triangles from 1 and 2. After taking the ratios, here we get 1 by 2 into BC into AD divided by 1 by 2 into QR into PS. That is A1 upon A2 which is equals to half B1 into H1 upon half B2 into H2. Here half get cancelled, and here we get the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Hence the property says that the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and heights. Now here we put some conditions. Condition first, if the heights of the both the triangles are equal, heights जर सेम असेल तर काय होईल, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. If heights are equal, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is, here we have to prove that A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2. That is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC into H and QR into H. Why H? Because the heights are same. After this, HH get cancelled, and here the remaining terms are BC upon QR. Instead of BC upon QR, here we write B1 upon B2. This is the second property. Now if we put the second condition is that if the bases of the both the triangles are equal, then the ratio of their of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. If bases are equal, then the ratio is equal to their corresponding heights. That is, we have to write here A1 upon A2 is equals to H1 upon H2. That is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB which is equals to AB into CD, AB into PQ. That is, AB in this figure, AB is the base which is equal, and in this triangle ABC, height is CD, and triangle APB, height is PQ. Heights are different but the bases are same. Bases are AB, same. Here AB into CD upon AB into PQ. That is, B into H1 upon B into H2. B get cancelled, and here we get A1 upon A2 which is equals to H1 H2. Here we have to remember that these three properties. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. That is A1 upon A2 which is equals to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Second, areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. That is A1 upon A2 which is equals to B1 upon B2. Third one, areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. That is A1 upon A2 which is equals to H1 upon H2. Now let's solve some examples. Now let's solve practice set 1.1. Question number first. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. We have to find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now first of all we will denote the areas, bases and heights of these triangles by A1, A2, H1, H2 and B1, B2. Then we know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Therefore here we write A1 upon A2 which is equals to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 by the property of ratios of areas of two triangles. After this we put the values of B1 H1, B2 H2 from this example, that is 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. After multiplication here we get 45 upon 60, and after simplifying this here we get A1 upon A2 which is equals to 3:4. That is the ratio of that areas of that corresponding triangles is equal to 3:4. Now the second example, in figure BC is perpendicular on AB, AD is perpendicular on AB, and here the values are given. BC is equals to 4, AD is equals to 8. Then we have to find out the areas of that triangle ABC and here we have to find out the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle ADB. This is figure. From figure we see here the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In this figure the base AB is common for both these two triangles, but the heights are different. For triangle ABC height is BC and for triangle ADB height is AD. Therefore since the bases are common, therefore the ratio of their areas of these triangles is equal to the corresponding heights. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equals to BC upon AD, that is triangles having equal bases. After putting the values here we get A1 upon A2 is equals to 4 by 8 which is equals to 1 by 2. Hence here we get the ratios as A1 is to A2 is equals to 1 is to 2.